MTS crew. What is going on, y'all? We're getting ready to make some simple cornbread. This is the cornbread that I make all the time for my family. And we're going to start off with 1 cup of self-rising cornmeal. Any brand, as long as it's self-rising. We're going to do 2 eggs. You know, because everybody really don't know how to make cornbread, so we're going to show you how we do it. Okay. Let's put our Jiffy mix, y'all. I always use 1 box of Jiffy mix, so I'm going to put so that's a cup of cornmeal and 1 box of Jiffy mix. Put about 1/2 cup of buttermilk in there, and if I need more, I'll add more. Okay, we're going to use about 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay. We're going to use 1/2 stick of butter and 4 tablespoons of oil. You just sort of mix that together. Okay. We're going to make some cornbread muffins out of this. Just get it stirred really good. And if you feel like you're going to need a little bit more buttermilk, which I might, we'll add a little bit more buttermilk to this. I love buttermilk cornbread. Okay. So we're going to make some cornbread muffins. This is about the consistency I like. Okay, let's get this cornbread going. Okay, y'all, we've already sprayed our muffin tins. And this is 1/4 cup. This is 1/4 cup measuring cup. So I put about 1/4 cup of batter in each one. And if I don't have enough to fill the rest, I'll add water so my tin won't burn. Okay. We're going to get this done and get this bread in the oven. Be right back. Oh yeah, y'all, when I get my cornbread in the tins, I take and kind of shake it because you want to get everything even. So they're all even, ready to go.